If you never driven a forklift before, this is your first step as a beginner. You need to master the body of your forklift when you are driving. It's like a car. Even when you want to learn how to drive a car, you need to be familiar with the body of the car so that you can be able to move around. So it's the same thing as a forklift. You need first to master the body of your forklift as you are moving. The exercise you have set up here on the floor is about driving by getting used to the body of the car, and that's what we'll do right now. So, as you can see, I'm forced to practice how to brake, or how to control my speed, and how to brake. This exercise is made for that. I need to practice how to turn the wheel, how to brake. How to control my speed. I'm busy controlling my speed. So this is about controlling my speed and my brake, learning about the brake, controlling my speed and using my brake. So the next step now is about how to go through, we call it zigzag, how to go through a curve with your forklift, also called zigzag. Okay, next. Good. Just make sure your front wheel is parallel to the cone. If you are turning right, your right front wheel is parallel to the cone. If you are turning left, your left front wheel is parallel to the cone. Yeah, go closer, start turning right away. Start turning, you will be okay. Start turning. Be careful there, you hit it. You are not. So you need to come straight and be parallel. If you come like skewed, you will not be able to do it, because you need to come straight so that you can be able to put it to master the. Yes. Start turning right away, because you are coming in a skew line. That's why you see, look at the back, you'll be able to hit there. Yeah, the problem is because of, see, it's closer. Cool. Yes. So drive in a straight line. When you want to first, so as you are going, drive in a straight line closer to the cone. Yeah. Move forward. Move forward. Move forward. Yeah. You start turning right away. Yes. Now the right line, the right width. Yes. Go again forward. Yeah. So what forklift operator don't understand is that this is what saves you to avoid hitting the cone. And if you are a beginner, this is what saves you. This tip saves you how to control your speed and to master the volume of your forklift, because this is what helps you to go around the narrow aisle when you are walking. You need to know how to do zigzag, or what also called 8. This is a major exercise, going between the cone on zigzag or 8 help you to master it. And those tips I have given you, most of students that I have been helping, their main issue is going through the cone. Some of them, the speed control will be a problem. So when they do it several times, they will start mastering the speed control. I'm so happy you are learning something from this video, but I need 2 things from you. 1, register to our mailing list down below at the description. Register to our mailing list. Why? It's because when an employer contacts me for a new high-paying job, you will be the first to know about it. 2nd, like and subscribe to my channel. Why? It's because when you do it, YouTube will recommend to more people, and that will help me a lot. Thank you very much.